Hello everyone, welcome to Longze Machinery. Today we're in the our assembling warehouse, and I'm going to show you the complete production line installation. Please follow my step. I will introduce to you each machine one by one. First, we start from the crushing process. The crushing section, the first one, you can have a look at. This one is the straw bale grinding machine. The straw bale grinding machine. This one is our rotary straw bale crusher, and you can put your round bale or square bale into the top of this hopper, and from here we have two crushing and grinding system. It will crush and grind your straw bale to a small size, less than 10 millimeters. And inside of the grinding machine, it has a sieve. You can put a different size sieve, like 8 millimeters, 10 millimeters, 12 millimeters, or 20 millimeters sieve. And this sieve will get very fine dust. The purpose is for pellet, making the pellet. And the accessories of this straw cutter is that the connection pipe and the cyclone and the fan blower. It will collect the fine dust. This machine purpose can combine the crushing and grinding together for straw bales, straw materials. And next step, I'm going to introduce to you the second crushing equipment. It's the double roller crusher. This double roller crusher with twin shaft and twin blades. It can grind. This machine is suitable for all kinds of wood pellet, with the wood pellet, with the wood board, cloth, plastic, and palm EFB punch for different materials, hard to grind or cutting. And this machine can crush them to small pieces, 3 to 8 centimeters. And after this crushing equipment, then we goes to a next step, the grinding machine. I'm going to show you this one. And this is the grinder, also called the hammer mill. This hammer mill can grind wood chips, straw chips, or any other kinds of chips material to sawdust or to powder size. This hammer mill with an 10 millimeters or 8 millimeters sieve, and with the connection pipes through here to the cyclone with the fan blower sucking the dust materials, collect the dust in this cyclone. And over here is a dust collector. The dust collecting system can collect the very fine dust. This is the whole system of hammer mill. And after grinding process, and the next step, we are going to drying machine. If your raw material like wood sawdust, moisture high than 20%, like 30 or 40%, you need a dryer machine. And this one is the hot air stove basement. Connected to this rotary drum dryer. This rotary drum dryer is 1.2 meter in diameter and 12 meters in length. And we also have other types dryer, depends on your raw materials moisture. And after this long process drying, and you got 15% dry material. And after that, this dry material will goes to next step, the pelletizing process. Please follow my step. This pellet line is 2 tons per hour production line. So we feed the storage silo and the screw conveyors conveying the raw materials to the pellet machine. And this pellet machine is our 132 kilowatts XJG 560 wood pellet machine. This is our latest technology pellet machine with the all stainless steel input hopper, pelletizing roll, and the dust collector system. And this pellet machine with an full automatic lubricating pump, it can grease the roller bearings and other bearings in this machine. In this, with this automatic pump, it can ensure the whole production line 24 hours continuous working with no stop. You just change the labor shift is okay. Over here is our PLC control system. You can have a look. This is the very new technology of PLC touch screen. With this touch screen, you can just push one button, and the full pellet machine can automatically start. With all accessories, the engine oil pump, the lubricating pump, the dust collector, and the screw conveyors can automatically start and stop. This control panel has a Wi-Fi system. It can connect to your mobile phone, and you can check the whole machine working condition on your cell phone with our special app. And after the pelletizing process, and then it goes to the next step, the pellet cooling progress. And the pellet will drop to the large angle conveyor, and then the conveyors will transfer the finished hot pellet to a pellet cooler. This pellet cooler will cool the pellet to room temperature. This storage tank will difference between all different capacity, and this one is 1.5 cubic meters cooling tank. And after cooling, and we also have a screening system. This screening system can separate the broken pellet and dust drop to the bottom, and the good quality pellet will go into the final progress will go into the pellet packing system. And here, this frame and the pellet hopper can storage wood pellet for some time, and after 2 or 3 hours, you maybe need to packing the wood pellet. And this system in front of you, you can have a look at. This is the small bag packing machine, and this one can packing 15 to 50 kilograms per bag. And this is the main machine of the packing machine. And from here, the PLC touch screen, you set, for example, 25 kilograms per bag, and you set the parameters. And from here, it can clap the nylon bag or plastic bag, and the pallet, 25 kilograms pallet will drop to the bags. And the bag, after the exactly weight bag finished weighing, and the bag drop to the belt conveyors, and then they use a sewing machine or a heating machine to close the bags. And from that silo, you can fit a jumbo bag. The jumbo bag can pack 500 to 1,000 kilograms, 1,001 ton pallet. And behind you is You can have a look. This is the jumbo bag with 1 ton wood pellet, and this is the small bags, 50 kilograms per bag. 50 kilograms per bag. And after you get the packing pellet, you can sell the pellet to industry use, or the small bags for home use. And besides the pellet, I'm going to show you the usage of the pellet. Usually the pellet will sell to some factories using pellet boiler, industry boiler, or you can use the pellet to home use stove, like this home use pellet stove. You can burn the pellet and you get the hot air to warm your house. It's for home use, very popular in the market. We supply this different size of wood pellet stove for different room size. Okay, my friend. So this complete production line, we can supply the whole unit, the production line, all the separate equipment. If you have any inquiry for Longzhou machinery, please feel free to send us inquiry. Our professional salespeople will give you professional service, and hope we have a long-term cooperation. Okay, thanks for watching this video. I will see you next time. Bye bye.